Hello my friends and welcome back to my iDevice YouTube channel. In today's video I will teach you how to use your iPhone as a high quality microphone. Did you know that guys, you can use your iPhone as a microphone, and instead of paying too much money for actually microphone, you have a great microphone and high quality microphone on your hand and you can use it. So guys, this is the way I'm using about 3 years and create my content for YouTube or another where, and actually recording my video with this high quality microphone, and every one of us has a high quality microphone on our hand. And as you can see, I'm recording this video from this device and this trick. So we will exploring the built-in options, actually using the best third-party apps and some essential tips to getting actually crystal clear audio. So let's dive in and get started. Hey buddy, so here is what you will need: an iPhone, AUX cable, and Lightning to headphone jack adapter. Their price is so cheap, about $2 or $3, and you can find them anywhere. First of all, go to your phone and open up your App Store. And after that, go to the search tab and type Megaphone. So guys, the app we need to download is Megaphone voice amplifier. As you can see here, this is the app we should download. Wait for the download to finish. After the download is finished, do not touch anything, just go and try to assemble your AUX cable and headphone audio jack adapter. So as you can see on the movie, we will connect one side of AUX cable to the adapter and plug it to your iPhone, and another side of AUX cable to your actually microphone jack. So as you can see, it's obvious your microphone jack on your device. It doesn't matter it's actually laptop or PC, just plug it to your microphone. After plug your cables, it's time to open up your Megaphone. Just do the option just like me. Actually guys, this application has actually 3 options. We select wired audio because of it's completely free. We do not actually need to connect our phone to Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Just select the wired audio. Here there is an option for purchase actually this app for wireless or Bluetooth, and we don't need it, so just touch the no thanks and go to the app. Now touch the input button. As you can see here, actually guys, there is a point I should tell you. These 3 options actually guys related to your iPhone's microphone locations, and I made it clear for you in this picture and you can see that. And I recommend to you select between bottom and back. And the last option, as you can see, you can turn off or turn on your microphone whenever you want. So there is nothing to say, just we will go to our PC and we will test our microphone with each other. First of all, we need to know that our microphone works or not. So for doing that, go to your search app on your Windows and type sound setting. So here in this part you should see your microphone works or not. If you see the actually blue line is shaking, it works. 1 2 3 4. One, two, three, four. 1 2 3 4. So as you can see, everything is okay and it works perfect. So I'm gonna go to your search bar and search voice actually recorder. One, two, three, four. 1 2 3 4. This is the test. Welcome to my iDevice. One, two, three, four. 1 2 3 4. This is the test. Welcome to my iDevice. Yo guys, we are finished here. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget that to giving me more energy. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell and comment your idea with another video. See you soon. Be careful guys. I love you.